Okay, let's move on another lab so-called to getting started with database. We will try out the Amazon AWS database service AWS. And okay, 咁我哋撳呢個啦，getting started with database 玩數據庫。You click on it from here, and then you click on the modules, and then click on the getting started with database lab. I just click on it maybe a second ago, and you will see the lab screen here. You just remove the terminal, remove the source, remove the HTML. It is useless for you.咁撳走晒呢啲咁嘅阻住個 screen. Okay, just click on start lab. It should take you a few minutes to start the lab. 咁你撳start lab 要等幾分鐘。Our target today will be in this architecture. It will take time. This is the reason why this is now inside the server is using CloudFormation to create the infrastructure in this diagram. Just don't have this database instance, and they will create this, and so it will take some time to create database, create the web server, create the network. 咁其實一部機咧點解要啲時間啊？其實呢個 architecture 就喺度行緊咯。要 in creation take some times. It's because 其實就最主要就係要 create 呢個 network 啦，create instance 啦，防火牆啦，create 晒俾你，到最後你就係 create database. Okay, we have to rate as you can rate you need to rating it for the creator wait for the status become ready, but now it should be in still rating says I think you need to go to have a coffee say 5 minutes. Okay, I'll just stop the video here. Okay, the lab is ready now. ready 咗啦。咁我哋就撳 AWS, click on AWS, and then fix the screen, remove terminal, source, HTML. 拎走佢個 tag 好啦，阻住你。Now we will create a database application, and this takes time because it's create the infrastructure for you, and then we will create database. 其實佢幫我起咗殼，我哋整嗰個就會庫。我哋就睇睇啦。我哋就撳到呢度。Let's go to task run. We go to RDS. Okay, go to RDS here and click on it. Okay, just wait the screen. Okay, RDS is here, and let me show the screen side by side. We will create database。咁我哋咧就 create 個數據庫。咁你其實呢度第一次行就會見到呢度啦。The first time you use it will be here, but if the next time you may lost this screen, so you can click on database。咁你第一次行就見到咁，咁你 click database，跟住就 create database。Okay，we will create a database so called MySQL. The standard, okay, standard run MySQL here。咁我哋揀個 standard 嘅 MySQL 啦。OK，in this option you may not 嗱，咁其實咧佢有this is a version distribution. You can say distribution of MySQL from Amazon. Yes, Aurora. It will be much powerful than the original MySQL actually, but for the lab we will use the old one。其實咧如果你自己做一定用呢個。Amazon 自己改咗個 distribution Aurora 包住咗個 MySQL 咧就好玩好多。個人啲嘢最緊要有 serverless 啦。OK。Continue, we will use a template. Okay, easy clear up MySQL and the community versions, and pick the template is the test and development. 咁我哋揀個 mode 咧就係 test and development，咁就冇咁 powerful。We will take it. We will not. We will use only the basic setup for you, and we will choose the multi-asset deployment here. Availability single DB. Okay, single database. I will take this one. Only one instance. Use one EC2 instance hold the database. 其實呢個就用單機去做啦。一部 EC2 包出。但係如果你 production 或者你真係出街你就會揀 multi ASET 咁就兩個一個 backup 啦。同步啦兩個喺度即係 standby 同步。又或者我哋會用 cluster 就會兩隻。即係再複雜啲，可能有兩隻 replica 或者有 data 即係 read only 好多嘢。Okay, for production you may choose this one or this one as it will have a standard database in different availability zone too, so that you can have failover, high availability for patch, whatever. And also if you choose the latest version, you can have the single master and multiple standby, and then you can use two replica and also got the benefit from multi-access deployment. Okay, train the database setup. let's change the database name to inventory database。咁啊改個 database 名叫 inventory DB 啦。咁呢個 DB 個 ID 啦。And then you need to have a master password is admin。And we just skip the password。我俾翻密碼佢啦，唔好錯啊嚇。Don't make it wrong, otherwise you will not able to connect it later。跟住就 OK，we will take the T3 micro instance class here。select T3. Oh, T3 is enabled. T3 is can't select here deep, but just go down。咁我哋揾 T3 Micro 啦，其實應該打 DB 點 T3。Oh, you just copy and paste here. It's allow you to. Okay. Oh, you just click it will probably Amazon Q here, but don't try it here。咁啊唔好試 Amazon Q。You don't have permission, I think. And here again, just T2, T3. Oh, browsable classes. Here you need to train the class of browsable。咁要轉翻到 browsable classes 先得。You will find the T3 Micro here. This is not for production, remember. Browsable class it means your CPU will be variable. Your capability is mean that you will not always have the full power of your CPU. It will be shared by other. Use the credit to control the CPU power. And 咁其實咧 browsable 呢啲啊小心啲咧，因為咧其實 browsable 即係粒 CPU 咧會時快時慢嘅，因為 browsable 其實就係有個 CPU credit，如果佢用晒 CPU credit 咧，佢就會去到 minimum speed 嘅。咁我哋如果真係 production 你就唔會用 browsable，老實呢個係平咁解。呢個就點解 Amazon T 個 instance 咁鬼平，因為粒 CPU 唔係你嘅，係即係你要留意咯，粒 CPU 會慢咗嘅。Okay, let's continue to train this. Oh, not the latest one, just the older one is GP2。咁我哋轉個 GP2 嘅 class 啦，咁啊呢啲 SSD 啦 ，and then the size to 200 to 20 gigabytes。And connectivity don't connect any business. Don't connect to issue compute resources. Okay, we don't set it up here, otherwise it will have some。Yeah, you will have some additional configuration。咁我哋就揀呢個咯，就唔好搞 EC2。如果唔係呢度咧，會幫你搞啲嘢嘅，即係你撳咗之後咧，佢就會問你 set 邊部機，佢就幫你 set 個防火牆啊，俾個 security group 佢。In case you select the server here, it will help you to configure your firewall. But we don't do it here. Just let it go, and then we configure the security group later. We pick the connect VPC is very important. Connect VPC, lab VPC, okay, and pick up the subnet group, and this is the only one subnet group here。咁我哋咧揀咗個 VPC 嚟揀 subnet group 啦。What is subnet group? The logic is that you don't know your data. You should allow your database in which subnet to be deployed. As you don't know the actual master, where is the master primary database, as you will switch between when the database is down or there's update the patch, restart the database something, you will train automatically, but the database will be only appear in those subnet。咁其實咧所謂數據庫個 subnet 其實就係因為其實個 case 你要俾啲 list of 網個 subnet 指望佢，跟住究竟數據庫係有機會喺邊度出現啊？因為其實你會 deploy 幾個 database 嘅，例如有主有個庫，咁其實會跳落嚟，佢識啲走嘅，喂邊度飛去啊？咁呢度3個咁冧咗就即刻飛去第二度咁樣，咁你俾個範圍佢跳咯。Public access is no. You're not supposed to provide a public IP address for your database. This is very insecure。咁我其實通常我哋 public access 呢度就如果擺 private 心嚟啦，或者 public 都好，你唔想佢俾人哋直接連到，俾人搣走粒 IP 咯。因為搣咗 IP 其實 Amazon 嚟講，你冇粒 IP 就唔會話直接入到嚟嘅。Okay, and the firewall we will have an existing one. We will show the DB security group and then remove the default. Okay, DB security group and remove the default. Remove it。咁剔走個 default 啦，跟住就留翻個 database 啦，跟住可用區啊 ，our bit shown where there's no preference as the subnet group be two subnet groups. The subnet group that inside should have two sublets, so you can set a preference, but don't set here now。咁其實我哋冇乜喜好啊，即係求其啦，因為由佢走嚟飛。Enable enhanced monitoring if you have tried the key and select it. And advanced configuration, not this one. 咁我哋要揾呢個叫做 monitoring。Enhance is just disabled since permission is not allowed to set here. Otherwise, you can have very detailed log information. The fastest one is in second。如果你開呢個咧，其實你個數據庫嗰啲 detail 可以斷秒鐘泵出嚟，咁好快。如果你唔開咧，就應該係5分鐘嘅嚇。其實通常都會開嘅嚇。咁但係呢個 lab 呢個冇權限。You don't have permission, so you disable it. And then finally, you conflict the additional configuration. You will have a initial database there. You have a database name. It's a instance EC2 name, but the inside the database engine, the first database is infantry。咁其實個 database 咧上面 set 嗰個咧就係嗰部機個名啦，簡單你個 instance 名個機名或者叫 database engine 入邊嗰個 service 喺個 database 裏邊係個名。咁但係裏邊有隻 DB 即係一個 database 就係擺 data 有 table 嗰啲咁就呢個。Okay, let's continue. Everything we keep it default. It's just the latest run, and then we're supposed to have the backup. Okay, you automatically you can review the detail setting and execution. Okay, just keep it default. It's fine. But suppose if you take the backup here, you start your new database, it will take longer time since it will take a backup at the beginning。咁其實你開咗呢個咧，有樣尷尬就應該你第一日會慢啲。咁其實佢冇叫剔走，咁我哋 let it keep it as the instruction is allow you to do everything else. Just keep it default, and we remove the enable detail mention is okay. Just remove it. But we keep everything default。咁我哋其他嘢有佢啦。咁我都唔睇咁多 detail 啦嚇。Okay, this is the estimation of cost per month is $40. Create a database. It should take you 5 minutes, I think. You need to wait for it, and some additional setup I suggest you to do, but don't do it here. You can't run it. For example, you want to increase the performance, you can add a elastic cache to optimize the read query. Also, if you are connecting with AWS Lambda, especially AWS Lambda, you got a lot of small instances, easy to small computer to make the new connection. You need a proxy to reduce the number of active connection to your database. Otherwise, the database will break down, will down due to the too higher number of connection。咁其實咧，Elastic Cache 好嘢嚟嘅。咁即係如果你有啲 read 嘅 SQL 咧好強咧，佢 cache 咗之後咧，咁其實佢就會快好多好多。咁第二個其實 just 用嘅就係叫做 RDS proxy。咁特別 use case 係博 Lambda，因為你 Lambda 咧係可以平衡有1000部機嘅，即係迷你 VM 咧當迷你 VM，但係其實佢就叫 Firecracker 下邊即係咁樣 run 一條啦。但係1000條嘅連線 connection 入數據庫係死梗嘅，因為唔係講1000條 SQL 啊，1000條連線啊。咁所以你就經過 proxy 佢優化咗就 multi-patching， 有呢樣有嗰樣，咁就優化咗個連線咧，咁駁住 database 可以頂得好多。Okay, let's close the window and then wait for the database to creation complete. You need to wait for it。咁我哋要等一等佢搞掂先。咁你 make sure it become available status。咁我哋等到佢 available。咁呢度咧呢度叫 creating 啦，just refresh it until it become available. I will stop the video here and then wait for it. After a few minutes, you see the backup cases. It means the first time of backup your database since we enable the auto backup, and just wait it until it become the available status. Just for the in-depth exercise requirement. I think 1 or 2 minutes at least. Just wait for it. OK it's available now。咁我哋搞掂啦，等到佢啦。咁頭先你見到佢又要 back up 第一次，因為你第一次行咧，佢就一定會係做 text net sort 搞呢搞路。OK, now we will to the task to configure the web communications. We will use the secret. OK, go to the AWS Manager, AWS EC2 Services。咁我哋個 EC2 啦，我哋做呢個 set up 就係連佢入去啦。咁佢會用 AWS Secret Manager 做。咁我哋就EC2 and then kick the control, hold the control and kick it。咁撳咗個 control 掣就再 kick 佢啦，留翻個 window。And we should have a EC2 there, so-called app server. The name is app server. Click on the instance here or here, no difference. 咁我撳一撳 instance 啦，部 app servers 啦 ，click on app servers, and then this is IPv4 address here。咁啊吸佢 IP address 啦，跟住就 open it。咁啊開個 web server 睇啦。咁啊佢有個 web server 啊。OK。 you see that you need to set up the configuration. 咁啊，click settings 啊，click on the settings, and then you need to provide your connection information, connection confidential. For example, you need to have the here the database is here. Just cancel it and click on the database and close the alert, and you got a 咁你撳入去個機啦，咁你揾嗰個 connectivity should be around here. Security group here is the endpoint. Copy it. 咁你揾個 endpoint 就係 connectivity 呢個，因為佢有幾個 tabs 啊。Remember 有 multiple tab here, but the first one will be the connectivity and security。咁第一個就係㗎啦。Copy this one, copy this, paste this in here, and then database is the inventory. Database admin, password, save, and okay. Now say the information into. This is directly using the web server to connect. You see the database should be here. I think it's created. 咁其實 database 就 insert 咗啲 data create 咗 table. You can try it. You can try on it. For example, you can add some inventory and delete some. Add an inventory. Demo item is demo, and then a number here 1. You see? It is okay, and delete it. Yeah，咁你試到可以搞，見到其實連到咁，但係呢個唔係最好嘅方法。This is not the best method for you to connect the database. But suppose we want to say if there's information in the parameter store. Yeah, in general we will use secret manager to keep the secret. 咁其實正常啲咧，呢啲咁嘅情況咧，一係用 IAM 去駁，一係用 secret manager 去駁嘅。咁你擺個密碼 secret manager，再用個 IAM 俾部 EC2，部 EC2 就 read 嗰個 secret 去 connect。There's two ways to make your database more secure. First solution is the traditional one. You will put your secret into a service called the AWS Secret Manager. It keeps the secret here, and then you grant IAM role permission for your EC2 to read the secret and then make the get the information, for example, password, connection, whatever. Another way is that we will use the native one, maybe our Amazon AWS serverless or whatever. It's just a lot of database engine support the IAM authentication. You just provide an IAM role in the instant profile for the EC2, and then able to connect the database. 咁好啦，繼續。We continue. We don't try the secret manager here. I think the permission is not right. 可能你 set 唔到，所以冇事。Okay, we go to database. Go back to here. Go to monitoring. Monitoring second tab. And since we disabled the detailed monitoring, it will be in 5 minutes as well. Even though you take 1 second, it's no difference. 咁你撳快咗都冇用嘅，因為其實你冇俾錢嚇。咁其實應該5分鐘應該都唔使米添嘅真係。咁just remember it's the case that you will just see some monitor tab. You will see some setup, for example, CPU credits, CPU saturation, and you find the CPU is very high and drop here. This is the screen. You can click on it. Yeah, enlarge. It's similar. 我見到撳晒一樣啦。Database connection is important metric. 咁連線好 important 嘅 metric 啦。咁你見到其實就it can't support very large number of connection, and now only one EC2 instance is at one single point here. Okay. And perform operation on database actually stop temporary and reboot. Yeah, we can. 咁我哋試下熄一熄機。We are trying to stop it temporarily. Go to here, take your action. You can stop it temporarily. Why is it temporary? It's because you database will start after 7 days. 咁其實點解 temporary？ 其實呢個好特別嘅地方嘅。咁你唔可以熄太耐機，會自動開飯嘅。呢個係好特別嘅 AWS 嘅 behavior。可能佢關於啲上 patch 問題事，咁佢就總之你 stop 咗 database 7日後都會開飯。咁所以話收工熄機咁 OK。但係你如果你擺咗2個禮拜新年假，佢會自己開飯。OK，just stop temporary and that is acknowledge that I will restart, and then option will take the backups and then stop。咁其實咧你可以即係佢同你講7日會開翻啦，同埋你可以熄機就做個 backup 先嘅。咁但係呢度又冇叫啦。OK，咁你可以 咁你熄完可以再開翻。We can start again to try, but we stop the database. We will actually really stop here. Just stop temporarily and take a. It should take some time, but you can try it here. If you refresh, it's supposed to be lost the database connection。咁其實你試一陣間，如果真係熄咗呢度，應該就會唔得啦。Stop stopping is not yet stop it。咁其實未熄晒機。One more time. Oh, still here. Just wait for a second and try again. Just hold the video. Okay, and wait for a long time. I think 5 minutes, but I still unable to see it totally stop the server. But yeah, if we try the web application, you will see it's keep rolling. It means the connection is down。咁啊，等咗好耐，佢都未熄到機。咁但係其實你而家再試個連線咧，佢應該 time out 呢度你應該會斷。佢應該 you should see the time out in the database connection and error in server size. But you stop the server, you also take your time, and I think 5 minutes may be required. But here you will see it's no more working, not don't work anymore. Okay, just give up. Yeah, and we try. Uh, Our lab is done and just finish 啦，我哋做完嘅啦，咁啊照教啦，咁呢度你一定行唔到噶啦。咁啊佢叫你開翻佢，咁我唔做啦。I don't do the restart activity as takes too many time, and then you need to if you restart your database, you may need to check about the endpoint again. But suppose it should keep it without changing, as you may need to try the here. It should be keep the same 咁啊，其實呢個應該會 keep 到嘅，因為個 IP 嗰啲就會轉，但呢啲會 keep 到。Okay, just end the lab and then you need to log out。咁啊 end 完個 lab 就 log out and close your browser，熄埋佢，咁啊做完啦，finish。